Newton enables any device to recognize dozens of human activities and various states of things across your equipment of choice. This allows you to create more insightful functionality for various solutions. Daily human activity machine learning models allows for multiple solutions to be realized, such as caring for the elderly or individuals with disabilities, and even the supervision of children. For instance, now you can know exactly how many times your child may have washed their hands at school, or if a person of care has completed the necessary personal hygiene needs for the day.
Have you ever wondered how many times have you washed your hands today? What about your kids? Did they wash their hands in school? A tiny machine learning model from Newton can recognize and log these activities for further analysis. The model requires only accelerometer and gyroscope readings and only 3 kilobytes of flash to make this prediction. And the most important part is the absence of false detections. You can confidently spend your day knowing that each event of washing hands will be recorded precisely.